Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to see how we can set up conversion tracking for our LinkedIn Ads account. Okay, so once we log into our account, guys, the first thing which we're going to do, the process is going to be like this. The first is we're going to implement the insight tag on the website. Once the tag has been pasted properly, then we can create a conversion action for the LinkedIn Ads account, which will track our conversions in this account. So let's have a look at this. So once you're inside the account, guys, we can first start off with Analyze on the left panel. Here you can see we can go to Insight tag. Insight tag will give us the options of how we would like to paste the code on the website. So there are three options. The first is if you understand programming, you have built your site yourself, then we can go ahead and use I will install the tag myself. We can copy the code from here and then paste it at the back end of our website. That is first option. The second option is going to be a case wherein we have saying that we have a web developer who has built our site. So we can send this code to the web developer and he can implement the code over there. And the third option is going to be using a tag manager, which can be a Google Tag Manager or any other options which we know of. So let's say we are going with the first option, which is installing the tag ourselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this particular code. And now we're going to log into our WordPress or Wix account, any CMS tool which we have used to build our website. We're going to log into the admin of our website first. So I'm going to go into my website right now, dashboard. This is my Wix account. To show you, this is the website, guys, on which we are going to implement the LinkedIn ads conversion tracking. You can also test first whether this code website has any LinkedIn ads conversion tracking code or not. So for which LinkedIn also provides you with an Insight tag checker, which extension, which you can install over here, as you can see. So right now, if you check and you try to inspect, what you will see is it says that LinkedIn ads tags were not found. Okay, any pixel tags were not found. So which means that this website currently does not have any codes implemented, any LinkedIn ads code implemented. Okay, so we are starting from here. So what we are going to do is we're going to sign into our Wix account dashboard. And now the code which we had copied from the LinkedIn ads account, we are going to paste at the backend, for which we can go to settings on the left panel. And in settings, we are going to specifically go to the advanced settings, custom code. And here, if you see the instructions given, they say that we need to paste the tag below the website's global footer, just above body, okay, above the closing HTML body. Okay, so if we follow the instructions as is, okay, so we're going to go to the body part, okay, and here we're going to paste it. So now you can see the whole code has been pasted out here. This now, which you can apply to the website. So now we have applied this code at the back end of the website. We can refresh this just for the system to consider our code which has been implemented. And now we can go back to our website as well and test. We want just testing whether the code has been pasted correctly or not. So now that we have refreshed the website, we can go back to the same extension and we can inspect. So now you can see it says success, status is success, which basically means that the code has been implemented on our site. Okay, now this is done. So we move to the next part, which is going to be a case where we will create a conversion tracking for this. Okay, so what we are doing today is we are looking at Insight tag for website conversion. So we're going to look at online conversion. We're going to start filling in all the details out here. So the first thing is LinkedIn is asking us to give it a name, that what kind of a conversion are we planning to consider this? Will this be a thank you page or a sale, purchase? So we need to give it a name. So let's say we are saying purchase. And then we can define the behavior, what exactly it is, what kind of an action will be taken out here. So let's say we are saying over here, it is going to be a purchase. We can give the value of this conversion as well. Let's say the purchase is for 1,000 rupees. Okay. We can also select the time frame for which this conversion will be counted for. Okay. So we can give those specifications as well here. And then we can set up a attribution model as well, which works for our business. So LinkedIn provides us with two options, which is last touch each campaign or last touch last campaign. So let's say we are looking at the each campaign option, and we can fill this up out here. Once you fill all this information, we can now move to the next page where you can select the campaigns on which you want to track the conversions. So whether you want to do it for all or do you want to do it for specific ones, you can select your campaigns out here. Let's say we want to do it on specific campaigns in this manner. We can select. And now we are coming to the last page where we will get access to the code. Okay, so for manually setting up conversions, okay, so again, the code which was told to us is here, which we can insert into our website. Okay, and now we are coming to the first option which we are talking about, wherein we want to set this up on websites where people visit our pages and perform certain actions. So we want to track those. So you can choose page load for that. Once you choose page load, we will also have to provide our website's URL out here. So there are multiple options in which way you can provide the URL. Let's say I want to give the complete URL of my website. So I'll go back, copy my website URL and put it out here. In this manner, I've given the website URL and I can create. So this becomes our conversion, which we have created now on our site, and the code has already been pasted. So now when people come to my website, they do an action on my website, it will get tracked inside the LinkedIn ads campaign. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand the whole process of how to set up a conversion tracking insight tag for tracking conversions for a website in LinkedIn ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.